Down to 59. And they're selling it. 58s. Here comes lows. Tesla new lows. There's new lows. 158 low a day on Tesla. So just touch pre-market lows down there. Here comes new lows. Tesla. Popped off that 58 area pretty well. Pretty well. This might be a long, like a reversion long type of deal off of this pre-market low area back to 60. Oops. Pretty solid trade there off of those 58.30s, even 58.50s. I would be interested in the long. Maybe down in the 60s. Against the 20s. See if I can get that. Got it there, long 65 cents. Immediately drops out to the 40s. But looking for this to spike up basically above 60 and run. Here's 59 cents. Can we get above 60? Can we run? Can we get up to the 60 40s? Yeah, I'll take one off here. Just taking half there. And let's see if we can run a little further. Can we get up to 61? Let's see if we can get up to 61 here. I think we might be able to. I'm going to take it there. I'm flat. I took it, the second one at 50 cents. I was hoping to get a pop up to 61, but I'm not seeing it. So, nice little scalp there. Oh, there's 61. So I would have gotten it. Let me go ahead and set a marker here for review later. Nice little reversion scalp. Yeah, I got up to the 90s there. I could have gotten out for a slightly better price, but that's okay. I do like that trade. Check, check, check. It is 10:14. Trying to get short this Amazon here. Was trying up here, couldn't find a way in. Trying to get in here. trying to get these 90s, but this thing just keeps dripping. Yeah, there's a seller in here working, not finding a way in right now. Just watching this carefully, as I believe there is a seller actively working in here. Couldn't get it in the 90s, couldn't get it in the 20s, couldn't get it in the 30s, couldn't get it in the 20s, tried to get it in the teens, tried to get it in the 90s, could not get it. Now we're in the 60s, 50s. AMD on lows, but I'm focused on this Amazon here. I'm going to try to get some on here. I got 73 cents. Stop. 92. Looking for this to come straight back in. May have jumped the gun on this. May have jumped the gun on this. This would probably be a better spot to be getting in, is right here. Let's see if if the seller is still active. Not a great entry price. Got stopped out there. Let's keep watching. Oh, I still like it. Oh, gosh, that got me out right at the top. I need to find a way back into this. Yeah, I got stopped out right at the top of that move, 94 cents. High was 95. And try again here against the hole. Got 83 cents, did not get all of it. Only got 200 shares on 251. Got a partial basically at 83 cents, but it's got to get to lows very quickly. $0.58 is lows. Here's the 60s. I need to see new lows and seller continue. Need to see us puncture through that 58 and go attack it. I need to see them attacking those bids. I'm not seeing that yet. Not seeing those bids get hit hard. Back into the 70s. Yeah, I don't want to see this in the 70s here. Don't like that. Needs to go fresh lows very quickly. Time stops running on this one. Not seeing the pressure here. I'm going to cancel getting more of this. And I need to see it go immediately. No, I'm going to bomb out. I don't like it. Don't like it. They defended that area down there at lows. They defended it, and it wasn't breaking down, so That's why I got out. Check, check. Check 1, 2. It's 11. I tried to get this short on here in AMD. I thought I saw an active seller. Got it on, got stopped out, and then immediately dumped. I had to fight for a way in. And found a way in. Average price is not great, 66 cents. I mean, I was trying to get it up here, but there's this battle going on down here. If this battle is won by this seller, there's nothing below here. So I think we could go straight through 52 and head down to the 51s, and that's kind of what my thesis is on this. So first thing though, we got to really break down through lows and see that follow through. Right now I don't have that. So what happened in Tesla? Tesla's just moving down. So we'll see if this low a day gets tripped, and I think if it does, we could get, there's just a lot of activity here, a big battle going on in here. So we'll see if this 42 cents, we're actually right there right now, so might happen right now where we hit this low. Got 41s. Didn't make a lot of forward progress down there, did it? Yes, near lows. 30 is, so yeah, this seller I think is just starting to work again right here. Let's see if they start crushing these bids and moving lower. There we go. There they go. Seller actively working again. 20s hitting bids, bids dropping, offers stepping down. '20s. Still heavy. Here's previous day close as well. ES, new lows. Can we get to the teens? There's the teens. Here we are coming into the hole. I'm gonna cover a partial somewhere down here. I'm gonna take 2 off right there, took a partial right there. I still got a third left. There's the ES on lows as well. New lows AMD. We're gonna go lower here or down to 85 cents. Can we go crack that 85? Let me set an 80 low of day down here. So yeah, I'm gonna move my stop down here. At this point, I don't want to see it above 7 cents. I want to see this seller come in and start moving down. If we start moving up, then I'm just gonna take it and be out. Couple pennies off lows, seeing more selling. What is everything else doing? What did Apple do? And Apple's coming back up to highs. I have an alert up here for 30 cents in Apple. And Amazon, I tried once, twice, 3 times to get short and could not stay in. The seller was just working really trickily. And there's new lows on AMD. Can we smash these bids right here at 80? See this wall right here at 80. Let's see if that seller is going to go take that and sell to them. Coming down here. And yes, new lows. More selling happening down here. There's new lows, AMD, 70s, and yeah, they took them. Still going lower. AMD a penny off of lows, new lows, AMD. New lows, 60s, 50s, still going. I'm going to take another 50 shares off here. I've got a sixth of my position left right here. Boeing continuing lower. So Boeing sold off. It must have gone. I mean, I don't want to switch to it right this second, but it must have sold off the entirety of its pop from earnings. Okay, I think that might be the end of the move. I'm going to try to get this other part off in the 60s and try to cover it down here. I think that's going to be it. Can I get back down to the 60s and get a cover down there for that last remaining position? 70s. And there we go. And I am flat AMD. Just looking at this, that first try to get in here, maybe I need to go back and review how, because I missed a good meat of it. But I'm glad I kept watching it, glad I fought to find a way in, and I caught a really nice piece right there. So happy about that. I'm gonna head back to work. Check, 1, 2. It is 11:55, and I just got into this Apple here as it's Move through high a day. I was waiting patiently, watching it. I did not get a full fill. I'm long from 43 cents and did not get everything that I was looking for there. As we come back down into 43, I did get it there. Let's see if it defends this level and we can get going. Up above highs here. 61 cents will be high day. Let's see what we can do. So I got the full clip at 43 cents, and we're a few pennies away from highs. And there does appear to be an active buyer in here, so I'd like to see what we can do. Can we get up through highs? Continue driving higher. ES is currently sitting at lows, but this Apple keeps moving up. Was trying to get a short in Tesla on. I did not get it. I tried several times on this. Where was it? This drop down. This one right here. Was trying to find a way in. Tesla. The short side did not find a way in, and I think that move is over. But this Apple looks like it wants to go. So hopefully this buyer is legitimate and willing and able to push higher here. Let's see what they can do. Can we get above 60? I see AMD is continuing to make lows, as is the ES. Not making a lot of forward progress here on this Apple. Need to see this buyer be able to, there we go, 60. Can they get up? Can we get up above 60? Can we break through and lift these 60s? There we go. And not a lot of forward progress there. There we go. Starting to head a little bit higher here. Can we get up to the 70s? I'm going to play defensive. So I took off part of it there at 67. I still have a little bit remaining. And I want to just continue to see this thing go. With this active buyer here, really shouldn't be coming back in. Can we get up over 70? So I want to see this buyer scoop everything up like they did there in the 50s, now in the 60s, and lifting this bid back up to 62, 63, 65, just like that. Lifting the offer, lifted 65s, lift 66s. Let's go. Let's get through 70 and keep going. Can we lift these 70s? We sure can. Let's keep going. Let's have this buyer continue to work. AMD through 51 on lows, but that's okay. I'm focused on this Tesla here, or on this Apple here, which is trying to get up. Had trouble at 70 again. Interesting. So I'm putting a stop in very tight. needs to go or not go at all. So needs to get up over 70 fairly quickly here, or I'm going to be out. Just lock it in for now. What did Tesla do? What did AMD do? AMD continuing lower. Amazon also lower. Google, leave it on Tesla. And back to Apple. So let's see. Can we get up over 73? We really got to go now. It's got to go now. Got to go now. Good, looking good here. Here's 73s. And rejected again. Okay, I'm going to take another one off. Here at 73, so we could not get through again. Really struggling to get through here. Down to just 100. Yes. Near lows. AMD new lows. Along this Apple. Here's 73 highs again. Can we get to $69? 169. There's new highs on Apple. They're open up some more new highs. Testing the high 70s. Buyers still lifting offers. There's the 80s, but not as easy going up. 80s. Going up easier now. 80s. Can we go hit 69? There's 90s. Buyer's still going. Nice move here up to 69 in Apple. Can we get through the hole? Can they smash these? Yes, they can. And I think I'm going to take it right there. And I'm flat Apple here at just above 69. So nice trade. Would have been nice to have even more size on. I got rid of most of my size down here on the scalp. And then this would be where I would ideally be taking it off. But overall, really nice entry. And this thing's still going. So it's a premature exit. But yeah, I got to work on getting this size up to and riding that for longer on these coattails of these large active buyers who are clearly in here still. So anyways, back to work.